Those of you looking for Simon Ekpa in Finland and protesting, Simon Ekpa don't tell una say more una come for Finland tomorrow. Say in dey gidigbam they wait for all of them. No be smart, things are really happening. And it's also said that after the convention in Finland, that the gate of Biafra will open. No be smart, Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, no, or follow our Facebook page, they wait for Hanlele, or you may quickly go follow us right now as they hot, as they bring her back to back updates. Let's quickly jump into the Ogbenge news where we get for hand today. Now the PM will be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile. We are here to bring an update of waiting talk. He said those people where they look for them for that time we come Finland to protest. Say may they come. Nah. Saying they wait for them for Finland. See that time where they find them in Bino Deo guys it take day, but now they gidigbam, they wait for them. However, we will play you the video. May you watch out from beginning to end and hear everything we talk for that video. And before we come back and continue, stay tuned.
Those who want to see Simon Ekpa, they said they came to Finland to protest. Simon Ekpa ran away. It is time for you to come. Come, let us see how powerful you are in Europe. Come to Finland now. I don't do things when you ask me to do it. I do things when I want to do it. The Nigeria government today knows that Nigeria has disintegrated. It is only those outside the government of Nigeria that will not understand what is going on, what God have used us to do. Nigeria has collapsed. And our aim and objective is nothing else other than to collapse Nigeria in order to save lives. Nigeria is a terrorist country. Nigeria sponsors terrorism, and they're not going to stop. Their agenda is to turn everybody into Islam. It is not by force. To turn us into Islamic State. Inasmuch as you all know what is going on in Israel, we continue to stand with Israel. Come rain, come sun. Biafra people will continue to start on the covenant of God. Come rain, come sun. Today, a lot of people are shouting about Palestine and all that. Why they ignore Biafra? Biafra are black people. Biafra are black people. So that doesn't matter. Somebody said the thing is cracking. Sorry for that. We watch what is going on within Nigeria, and it is not something we have to continue. We've endured a lot. We've seen the bombardment of Biafra territory by the Nigeria Boko Haram controlled army. We've seen the enforcement of disappearance of Biafra youth in checkpoints. We continue to maintain that checkpoints are all banned in Biafra territory. We've also made it very clear that any security personnel or terrorists in security uniform carrying gun in Biafra land, you are a target. We don't want to see anybody carrying gun in Biafra territory. You have committed a lot of atrocities with your gun, and we don't need it again. We will continue to call the subconsciousness of Biafra people, especially those who stay very close to military barracks. Our arms and ammunition are against those who comes with gun and machine gun to kill our people. So if you live close to any military barrack, the terrorist military barrack, stay away 1 kilometer Why I am saying this is that Biafra will soon embark on a very, very dangerous operation to wipe away every presence of Nigeria within Biafra territory. It is going to start happening very soon. We give you enough time so that you are going to be saved as a civilian. We'll give you enough time. That's why I've been announcing this thing for the past months. Stay away from military barrack 1 kilometer. The same thing goes to checkpoint. Stay away from checkpoint. Don't hawk on checkpoint, because you never can tell when it is going to happen. But whether we are going to evict them, we are doing that. Whether we're going to expel them from our land, we are doing that. Whether we are going to delegitimize the government of Nigeria, we are doing that without wasting time. Sorry. Some people say that, oh, look at them, they are killing militaries, they are fighting military. What military? The same military that comes to your villages to help the terrorists to burn your villages and make them occupy your village. They are not worthy to be called military. The reason for Finland is to open the gate of Biafra freedom. And if you miss it, you have missed a lot. For those of you who may not be able to come to Finland, make sure you follow the live streaming of Finland Convention, Biafra Convention, happening this Friday and Saturday. Very important. You may not be here, but you are going to follow us live. The idea is that for us asking you, what is the roadmap? What is your roadmap? What is your map of Biafra? What is all that? We are going to put those things to rest here in Finland. And today, I will, for those of you watching live, you will have the privilege to see, in case if you have not ordered your Biafra charter, the Confederated State of Biafra, the charter. The charter is on for you to grab your copy. Go and grab your copy if you have not done that. Go to the New Dimension website and get your copy, order your copy of the Biafra Charter. Biafra Charter is a document that is going to lay the background of the Biafra freedom. And it will start from this weekend. You must get a copy of that for you to know what we are doing, where we are going, and what we have done. I am not here to unveil anything at this point, but believe me, a lot of things are going to be unveiled in Finland. The de facto government is one of them. And after that, the gate to Biafra freedom will be open.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear everything we talk for that video, it'll be smart, you know. And those of you now we want go, I beg more and all carry blow. One eyes come back, oh, because the blow where someone up they prepare, we go blow and I be like say that blow now left hand and go use nakam. No be smarting. However, when I want make you contribute to and leave your own opinion regarding this video. Let's talk about it on comment section. Don't forget how they do for here. We'll bring some matter. We'll see talk put some. We'll say we'll talk about them. What do you think? What will be your opinion? Where they go on? So let us know for comment section as they hot. See you in the next update.